Another 40,000 is revenue profit. Already existing capital profit, how much is there? 30,000 plus 40, totally 70,000. 3,000 shares in H Limited took over 3,000 shares of S Limited. Totally how much you got? 4 lakh is there. Divide by 100 means 4,000 share. Revenue 30,000. 2,30,000. Hello, my dear students. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. BSS, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. In this session, I am going to hand Advanced Corporate Accounting for semester Unit 3, Session 4 of BCom in favor of holding company. In the last session, I explained what is holding company. A holding company is one which holds more than 50% of shares of the subsidiary company. So here, if there are two companies are there, X and Y, if X holds more than 50% of Y company, H is called holding company, Y is called subsidiary company. There are two profit. We say the source of the companies, one is the profit, one is the reserve. Whatever the profit available before acquisition is called capital profit and capital reserve. After acquisition, it is called revenue profit or revenue reserve. If anything available in the adjustment, debtor, some amount is available in the form of the debtor. Deduct from debtor, deduct from creditor. If any bills are available, deduct from BR, deduct from B as a mutual adjustment. We'll move on now. So, balance sheet of H Limited and S Limited on 31st December 2017. So, we have got a balance sheet of H Limited. Here, see that 3,000 shares in H Limited took over 3,000 shares of S Limited. Totally, how much you got? 4 lakh is there. Divide by 100 means 4,000 share. Out of the 4,000 share, 3,000 share is taken by H Limited. The balance 1,000 share goes to S Limited. Now, regarding the adjustment, H Limited acquire 3,000 share in S Limited on 1/7. After 6 months, they acquire. So, before 6 months, you got the capital profit. After 6 months, revenue profit. As on the date of acquisition, H Limited found that the value of land and building and machinery of S Limited were 1,80,000 and 1,25,000 respectively. The debtors of H Limited include 5,000. This 5,000 due from S Limited. Deduct from debtor, deduct from creditor. Now, total number of shares of S Limited 4 lakh divided by 100, 4,000 shares. 3,000 shares taken by H Limited. The balance 1,000 share goes to S Limited. Therefore, H is to S, 3,000 is to 1,000. They are in the ratio of 3:1. This is the first step. Then, calculation of capital and revenue. Calculation of capital and revenue. Particulars, total H Limited, S Limited, minority, particular total, H Limited, S Limited. Total shares, 4,000, 3,000 taken by H Limited, 1,000 by H. This is 3:1. The rate of the share is 100. It becomes 1 lakh. See that? General reserve on 1 speed is 50,000. Acquisition is on 1/7 means this is called capital reserve. Capital reserve, 50,000. 50,000 into 3 divided by 4, 37,500. So 50,000 into 1 divided by 4, 12,500. This goes to capital reserve. Then profit is 40,000. Here profit is 30,000. Profit for the year is 80,000. So out of 80,000, this is the profit for the 12 months. So you acquire on 1/7 means 6 months. 40,000 is the capital profit. Another 40,000 is revenue profit. Already existing capital profit, how much is there? 30,000 plus 40, total is 70,000. Capital profit, existing 30, 6 months profit, 6 months, 70,000. 70,000 into 3 divided by 4, 52,500. 70,000 into 1 divided by 4, 17,500. Remaining revenue profit, another 6 months. The remaining out of 80, 40 is the capital profit, another 40 is the revenue profit. 40,000. 3 by 4 means 30,000. 1 by 4 means 10,000. This goes to revenue profit. Then, now, building value 1,80,000. What's the value? 1,60,000 becomes 1 lakh means 20,000 more. Capital profit, appreciation of building. So 1,60,000 become 1,80,000 means 20,000. Share 15,000 to H Limited, 5,000 to S Limited. This goes to this. Hope you understand. Because appreciation. What is the next one? Machinery 1,25,000. How much you got? 1,35,000 become 1,35,000 means 10,000 has come. Machinery, capital loss, depreciation, 10,000, 7,500, 2,500. Add 1 lakh plus 12,500 plus 17,500 plus 10 followed by 30 plus 5,000 minus 2,500. 1 lakh 42,500. Minority interest. it will appear on the liability side of the balance sheet. Next one, calculation of goodwill. Particulars rupees. Cost of investment how much they paid? 4,50,000 minus face value 3,000 shares of rupees 100. It becomes 3 lakh. 1,50,000 is the goodwill. Now, capital profit, capital reserve plus capital profit minus capital loss. What is your capital reserve? 37,500 plus. What's your capital profit? 37,500. Come back here. 52,500 plus capital profit 15,000 minus capital loss 7,500. Add 37,500 plus 52,500 plus 15,000 minus 7,500. 97,500. Goodwill $1,50,000 minus 97,500. 150 followed by 30 minus 97,500. 150 minus 97,500. 52,500 is the goodwill. Balance sheet. Of H Limited with S Limited. Capital and liabilities. Rupees. Number 1. Shareholders fund. A. Share capital of H Limited 10 lakh. B. See the profit. Capital reserve. So much? 40,000. This is your 1 profit for the year. Here capital reserve is 1 lakh. Capital reserve $1 lakh. Capital profit 40,000. Profit is 2 lakh. Profit is 2 lakh. Add revenue, capital is 2 lakh. Revenue profit 40. How much is there? 30,000 plus revenue 30,000. 2,30,000. Add 10 lakh, 11 lakh, 13 lakh 70,000. 10, 11, 2. 13 lakh 70,000. Number 2. Long-term loan is there. See that? No loan. Current liability. Current liability. Now, first one. Creditors. 1 lakh plus 1 lakh, 2 lakh 50,000. Creditors. 2 lakh 50,000 minus mutual. Mutual is how much? 5,000. 2 lakh 45,000 plus BP. What's the value of BP? 50 plus 20, 70,000. Minority interest. Minority interest. 1,42,500. Add 2,45,000 plus 70 plus 1,42,500. 4,57,500. Add 13,70,000 plus 4,57,500. 18,27,500. This goes in favor of liability. Application of funds. Number 1. Fixed assets. Number 1. Building 3,10,000 plus 1,60,000, 4,70,000. How much more? 20,000. Building 3,10,000 plus 1,60,000 means 4,70,000 plus appreciation 20,000. 4,90,000. Machinery 2,70,000. 270 plus 1,35,000. 4,05,000. 1,25,000. How much is this? 1,35,000 minus 10,000. Machinery 4,05,000 minus depreciation 10,000. Deduct 4,05,000 minus 3,95,000. Good plus goodwill 52,500. Add 4,90,000 plus 3,95,000 plus 52,500. 9,37,500. Number 2, current assets. Stock 2,20,000 plus 1,50,000, 3,70,000. Stock 3,70,000. What next? This is over. Debtor 1,50,000 minus mutual 5,000. Debtors 1,50,000 minus 5,000, 1,45,000. This over. BR 55 plus 40, 95,000. BR 95,000. Bank 85 plus 1,95,000, 195 plus 85,000, 2,80,000. Add 3,70,000 plus 1,45,000, 95 plus 2,80,000, 8,90,000 plus 9,37,500, 18,27,500, 18,27,500. Total application. Hope you understand. I have solved the 4 problems now. So first you have to calculate number of share, then we have to calculate capital and revenue, then you have to calculate cost of goodwill, make the capital reserve deduction, then you have to make a consolidated balance sheet with mutual adjustment. Hope you understand. We'll meet in the next session with banking company. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next session.